Sure. Bobi Wine, oh yeah! Bobi Wine, yeah! I'm doing it with your Orom. We don't see you with your ladies. The body. Please don't be young. Allah, think of you. I'm not looking for. What's taking time of knowledge? And then what's happening for what we have to Orom. My parents didn't know what to do. Something man, combina drone did no put the career take you a car down young. On my own behalf, as the coordinator for Acoli, coordinating Kitgum, Lamwo, District, I would like to welcome you to the sub-region, Your Excellency. And this is the time that we need change most, especially in the sub-region. And for this matter, before you, these are the crowds who have devoted their time to come and welcome you as you join from Karamoja sub-region to Acoli sub-region. You are most welcome and we feel proud of you. Please greet your people. My name is Charles Onen, the coordinator for Acoli sub-region. Thank you. Your Excellency, you are welcome. Thank you very much, my brother. People power! Yeah, I follow the prayer. Thank you very much for the welcome. We are coming from Karamoja sub-region. And I am happy that we have entered the Acoli sub-region to smile and happiness and the beautiful welcome. My name is AAcoli Bobi Wine.
And what you need, Bobi Wine, near Robert Sakulani Sentamu, AKK, President wa Apoyo.
Okay, in Karamoja, they call me Leila Pima.
Who are you? Ki Karamoja Kimini, my Loni Luliateba.
In Lamwo, they gave me a name. And Lamwo, they call me Acoli.
Aki Langi Charanyani Ukirukuruch.
But some years ago, when I was here in Acoli, they gave me a beautiful name. When I'm in Acoli, my name is Obey Mapiem.
Hey yo, why do you actually give me any Mapiem?
We are rushing, we are trying to catch time. But I will use very few words. My brothers and sisters in Acoli.
It has
been 40 years of pain, 40 years of poverty, 40 years of slavery, 40 years of lying to us. They divided us. People lying for so long.
We are born Uganda.
It is time to change. And that change is going to come from you, especially you. Look at what is happening in Kenya. Look at what is happening in Tanzania. What is happening in Cameroon. It is possible for us to come together and turn this country into what we want it to be. They have divided us for so long. For so long they moved us against each other. Meanwhile they are running us and they are benefiting from us. Look at the road here. Look at the poverty here. And then they are telling you they want to protect their game. They want to protect what they have seen in Kenya.
Give me the walk, you know what I mean, maybe the Papa Lord.
They want to protect their country over you.
Give me the walk, Lord, make it take very good, make what you need.
They want to keep you in the position, in the poverty where you are.
Give me the walk, we can mountain, we're so here, we've been American.
Look at the schools where our children are in.
School melody with you.
And I'm asking, look at how many sons of Acoli that have died suspiciously. Nobody is going to talk about this, my brothers and sisters. So I am asking you to open your eyes. This is not just voting for Bobi Wine. Even if you don't vote for me, as long as you open your eyes and you realize that this country belongs to you and you must change it so that you benefit from it. I am asking you to think about it. We together we can unite from the north to the south, from the east to the west. We can become one people and decide that this is what we want and it's going to be for all of us. The idea that we present is a new Uganda. Where all of us are going to be equal. It does not matter your tribe. It does not matter your religion. We want a country where all of us are going to be equal and all of us have an equal say in the ruling and the government of this country. A Uganda where if you are to get a job, you don't have to ask for your tribe. A Uganda that is not ruled by one family. Uganda is not a kingdom. Uganda is a republic. And it must be governed as such. But most importantly, I am asking you to unite. I want you to see yourself not only as an Acoli, but as a Ugandan. Look at me not only as a Uganda, but as a Ugandan. Don't look at a Musoga as a Musoga, but as a Ugandan. I want all of us to see each other as one person. That is the first thing that we must do. Then we are going to change this country together without any discrimination. Time to put the history behind and look into the future. So please do this through your vote. First of all, come out and vote. Whoever you're voting for, whoever you support, even if it's not me, please come out and vote. And please vote for something new. Vote for a leader who is going to be your servant and not your boss. Finally, I am asking you to be be the agents of that change. You can be the Bobi Wine of this place. I might not come back here to Orom, but I know that this place has intelligent people. This place has young people. This place has people that can serve this country. This place has produced great leaders in the past. It can produce great leaders even now. It is not a mistake that you produce those people. Please, please, please send this message to the people you know in your own language. This is not a matter of Bobi Wine. It is a matter of all of us. Me, I'm only messenger. But this is your cause. You can own it. Please own this struggle. Make it your own. Put it in your language. Make sure you explain this to everybody. Thank you very much. I know we also have some candidates here. I told you in the past that anybody can be Bobi Wine from any region of Uganda, and even here we have the Bobi Wines of this place. You will see them by a symbol. They are going to be holding an umbrella. When you reach on the ballot paper, our symbol is the umbrella. Look out for this umbrella. Look out for this umbrella. This is going to be the symbol. When you vote for the umbrella, you will be voting for better roads here. When you take the umbrella, you will be seeking for a new Uganda. For leaders who will be your servants and not bosses. But most importantly, you'll be voting for unity and for a new Uganda. Thank you very much, my brothers and sisters, for listening to me. Come here, my brothers. Stand up, let them. All the other people see you. People power! People power! Our power! NUP! Everywhere! Stronger Bobi! And by the name of Ismail Wakurat, I think you remember me. Of course. Last time I told you there. I'm standing here for the chairman, LC1 Lenga Central. Okay. I'm contesting for the chairman, LC1 Lenga Central. Please say here. Oh yeah. I'm the new chairman of Chua constituency. With 11 sub-counties, I'm the chairman of Chua constituency. Yeah. You see, I keep telling you that we are the same. He's representing Chua constituency. Yeah. And I was teaching my people and telling them that we get the name Chua from here. Chua was a king in Uganda. We are the same people. So my brother is coming from Chua constituency. Please vote him to be chairman so that he can invite me again and I come and spend a weekend here. Vote for our chairman, brothers and sisters. People power! People power!
Anya John Boscolo, and the area councillor at the Inolea Party Ram South County. We are South Karonde, area councillor Siri, Karakalet Paris.
Michael. Yes. Michael.
Okay. Michael Paeda, Councillor Dead, Lamwo Paris. Commander. Thank you.
Some of them have gone to town now.
No worries. Please read out the names.
Yeah, we have 6.
Please vote for those councillors, brothers and sisters. I want to get opportunity to come.